Girl, super. Girl, really? Hey everyone, and welcome back to Lipstick Affair with me, Miss Mo. Whew, I'm sleepy. So today I'm going to be doing a product review of the company, the Crayon case. Um, like you saw in my product review of Be Simone Beauty, I have a lot of respect for the founder of Crayon Case. I don't know her real name. I just know her Instagram name, and that's Super Scent. And so I just have a lot of respect for, again, how, like B. Simone, they have been able to basically prosper and just boss up their life in just simpler terms. And so I just wanted to try out her stuff and just see, what the experience is like. In my other videos, my last two product review videos, I talk about the not just the product itself, like the formula, like how the lipstick feels, but also like the packaging and the marketing. And one interesting thing about the Crayon case is that the way that it is marketed, it it reminds you of like school. So like being in like primary school, or just, it doesn't, what I'm trying to say is that the marketing about it is that it doesn't seem as if it's not intimidating, especially to people who don't know necessarily anything about makeup. So I feel like for those who know stuff about makeup, seeing an eyeshadow palette that kind of look like a notepad is like, okay, whatever. But to somebody like myself who don't know shit about makeup, seeing a eyeshadow palette that looks like a notebook, it's fun and it's inviting, and it's like, okay, maybe I can try this out and see what happens. So I just wanted to just point out that like marketing and how they stand out in terms of the beauty, in terms of in the beauty world. So we're going to get into this review. So this is how the package comes, like this. Let me just leave out my information like that. So this is how the package comes. But in the inside, you can see where it says the Crayon case. I just thought it was interesting that it was on the inside, because I most likely will throw away this box, even though it's a nice box. I ain't gonna lie. Maybe I might find it a way to use. I don't know. It's a real sturdy box though. Okay. So the colors that I got were, and this is how they come, like the packaging for it. So I purchased the velvet lipstick. I just thought it was interesting that it was referred to as velvet lipstick. So that's why I got it. So I got the color Broadway, Short, and Pine. We're going to try this Pine, which is like a maroonish color. And we're just going to see. Y'all, this don't stink. It smells good. It smells like perfume. Okay, super. Okay, so we can look at the applicator itself. I think my ring light is so bright, y'all. The applicator, it's more like an oval shape. The texture of the liquid lipstick is kind of like liquidy. It doesn't seem too thick. And this is the velvet liquid lipstick. So I'm not entirely sure how it's different from any other liquid lipstick. I don't know if it lasts longer, if it goes on smoother because of the velvet, but we shall see. So I need to work on like getting better at putting stuff on my top lip. Okay, so we're going to um all right. um I like a good maroon color lipstick. I will say so. I put on two coats. Just because the first coat just seemed kind of light, so I just wanted to just make sure that everything was covered. So I put on two coats, which is how I got this. Um, I like how it goes on. The formula is very smooth to me, and so it was an easy way. It had an easy application. Even though I'm not necessarily always so crazy about like those oval applicators, this one worked perfectly fine. I think you just have to make sure that for any lipstick company that watches this, as well as for anybody, I mean, just for anybody who's watching this, I think you just have to make sure that the applicator matches the formula. So if the formula is kind of thick, make sure you have an applicator that can work well with the thickness of the liquid lipstick, if that makes sense. So I think like this particular formula works great with that applicator. So that's why it was just kind of easy to, you know, put it on. So I just put it on, and it's already starting to dry. And I can feel it drying. I will say that because I have like sensitive skin, the smell, although it smells good, the smell just worried me just slightly, because I just felt like it might irritate my skin. Um, and again, that's because like I just got real sensitive skin to like very perfumey smells. I can just easily, I'm sorry, I joke like that. I can just easily just break out when something has a very strong perfume smell. Um, but when I was putting it on, I was like, it smells good, so that's pleasant. I was like, part of me was like, oh, I feel like this might break me out. But, you know, I'm still good, so that's good. Um, it doesn't take long to dry. It's pretty dry right now. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. So there's like some slight residue. Y'all can't even see that. This damn ring light. There's like some slight residue. But even though it's dried, um, and before I started, I didn't say that, but usually if you watch my videos, you know I always prep my lips. So I prep my lips by scrubbing it, scrubbing off all the dead skin, and then lightly moisturizing it with some chapstick. So I did that before I started. You know, the thing I like the most about this lipstick is that, like, I feel like something is on my lips, but I don't feel like it's on my lips. I feel like it is secure. Like, I feel like, I mean, maybe when I start eating something, it'll probably go away, but having a conversation like now, it's like, I know my lips look good. I know the lipstick not going nowhere. Um, and it doesn't feel as if my lips are like super dry, like drying out because I have lipstick on it. Um, so yeah, yeah. There's like some slight residue, which is expected, but yeah. And I did it again. I did this with two coats, and you are good to go. And then it doesn't take long to dry. Girl, super girl, really. I'm so excited because like of all these lipsticks, you know, they're just some that you just want for everyday use. I know I'll be doing those videos about just like different ways to play around your lipstick color, but obviously those are not everyday, lipstick wear, um, looks. I mean, they are looks, darling. They are not like, okay, I'm about to have a meeting, like a corporate meeting, or, it's not like an everyday thing. This is light. It dries fast. It's a cute color. Look, I got just like basic colors. See? Only just a little thing came off. Super girl. Girl. Super. Okay, super. Girl. Oh. And then again, because of the marketing about it, like her brand is not intimidating because it reminds you of school. And the way that I'm talking right now, just talking so freely, and I'm like, it's not uncomfortable to talk. Like I don't have like, I feel like something on my lips or something like that. Like I feel like something on my lips, but I just feel like, it's good. Like it ain't about to go nowhere. Um, Super girl. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's try the other colors. Okay, okay. All right, so my lips are prepped and ready to go. So I'm very excited. I'm very excited to have a Black-owned, woman-founded lipstick that can be used for everyday wear. Okay, so whatever. I mean, not whatever, but we're going to move on to the next thing. I'm just so excited. Okay, so next color we're going to try is Short, which is a reddish color. Now, we'll have to say this also that what you see is kind of like true to color. So when you put it on your lips, it is going to look like that. Okay, so they all smell the same. They smell good. They have like a perfumey smell. So yeah, but I'm trying to get better at starting at the top of my lip. All right, so um, this is it. Like I said, the red is it's true to color for the most part. I like my red lipsticks. I think everybody should have a good red lipstick in whatever lipstick arsenal they have. But I do like a more of a darker red. Even though this is a pretty red too, I definitely like the red from Lip Bar. Lip Bar's red I really like. But for me, I like to have like a dark red. Well, this isn't a dark red. But I like to have a dark red or a maroonish looking color, which was the pine color. I think everybody, has their own personal preference. But for me, I like when my lips look a little bit dark or darker. So, yeah. So now that this is kind of dried, let's do a little test. This thing about this freaking ring light. See? There's just very, 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 very slight residue, which I think is expected with any type of lipstick. Maybe one day I'll find a lipstick where I kiss and there's no residue. But until then, this is a pretty good formula. I ain't gonna lie. And although this lipstick isn't, the marketing behind it is not saying that it's a long-lasting wearing lipstick. Because it is a liquid matte lipstick, I am going to do a product blog on it just to see how it holds up and when you wear it for a long time. Okay, so I'm going to take this off. I really like it though. I like it a lot. I think I might wear this to work. Maybe this one or the maroon one. Oh, I like my little maroons. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off. Then we'll go to our last color, which is Broadway. All right, so I'm back. And the last one we are doing is Broadway. On Broadway. So Broadway is like a brownish color. So let's just get into it. All right. So I'm gonna just stop. I think that this part is called like the Cupid's bow or something. I don't know. I'm just gonna start up there. Because I noticed that when I put on my lipstick, I don't pay as much attention as I need to that area. So this is the brown. It kind of reminds me like of a dark chocolate. More like a, kind of like a mixture of a dark and milk chocolate type of thing. Because like it's dark, but it has like a little, the reddish undertone you can definitely see. So it definitely reminds me a lot of the pine. But I think the pine is just a little bit more reddish than this brown. So yeah, I'm done. I purchased 3 colors and they were all $12, which wasn't bad. But again, I like my lipsticks under $10 and on sale. This wasn't necessarily on sale, but I did have a 10%, code that I could use. So that definitely helped. I have to say that I am really happy about this purchase. I've always wanted to try Crayon case because it seems like it's a less intimidating makeup brand. And so just because it's very elementary school themed and all that stuff. And then on top of that, like I said, Super Scent, she just seems just very funny and cool and chill. And so it's not like, she doesn't give off like, oh, if you don't know, then you just don't know. Like, it's just like no bougie. So it's not, overall, nothing is intimidating about the Crayon case. And it actually seems like you could have fun with makeup instead of being all serious. So I'm very happy that I purchased this, this lipstick. And the fact that this is, again, a melanated, woman-owned business that basically started from nothing and just built, and she basically built up an empire, is just so awesome and amazing to me. So I cannot wait to support this business even more in the future. But I do want to say thank you all for watching Lipstick Affair. I'm super excited that I have an everyday lipstick. I'm so excited. But yes, but thank you for watching Lipstick Affair. I hope you enjoyed this product review. I will see you all next time. Bye.